中间 movement. Ready? Blow. Left hand up. Slowly go down. Down. Very slow. You feel nothing in a hurry. Very quiet. Open your eyes. 12th movement. Follow me. 1. So your body to the, for you to the right. Right hand higher, left hand lower. Relax your fingers and then flutter the fingers, and relax the arms. Stop. Okay, follow me. First, fingers do nothing. Just relax your shoulders and the arms. Follow me. Slightly up, down, up, down. First, practice this. Okay. And then only practice the fingers. Flutter the fingers. Okay, rest short time. Ready? Again. Next. 1, slow, slow, slow. And then shoulders and the arms slightly up, down. Relax more. Gradually start flutter the fingers. Okay, stop. And then other side. Ready? Begin. Arms, shoulders, and then fingers.